Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just trying to hold up my camera stuff. So I'm playing this game. Oh, I need to disable my gravity feature so I can be able to jump. This might not be a long video, but I'm sorry for not hosting for a while. I've been just doing my own thing and stuff, forgetting about it, been wanting to. And I'm seriously holding up this camera, so it's really hard. Can't really type. Hey, look at this girl. She looks like a ghost. Ghost girl with regular hair. Why is this girl trying to get Robux? Like, can't you just buy it? Buy it from the store or something? Oops, sorry about my hand. Look at this girl. She's floating. Seriously. Ghost. Oh, a pink ghost. 1,000. This server is kind of weird. Okay. A headless person. That's just seriously disgusting. Everyone's like stuff in there and stuff. Oh, sorry about that. I'm out of here. Sorry. Hate doing that. Anyways. Do you want to see me fly? Just. And like, I'm serious. Watch. I can fly. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Gosh. By the way, guys, I think I'm about to sneeze. Phew. Bless me. Sorry. Oh, what? Should I paint myself? Ooh, better not let this fall. Hey, look. Ooh, I thought glow was a command, but apparently not. But look how beautiful I am. I look amazing, actually. The white neon person with Billy the duck. One second. It's a pink being black with an N. Black with the start of an N, and I became neon. I look beautiful. Beautifuler than before. With my mask on. So, this should be like, I think like this should be like a whole entire superhero from Miraculous Ladybug. Somebody said paint me sky blue. Dude, you're naked. That's disgusting. Well, look at this girl. She looks really pretty. Is she? Oh, why is she near me? If she can be near me, I'm just like. How much minutes on this pen? Probably 7. Gosh. Oh, she looks so cute as a bacon. Sit. And I'll sit here by myself, talking to the sun, because I look like one. Guys, but thank you so much for 18 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Back to the video. I also really want to start doing Gacha Life videos, but I don't know how to screen record because I'm recording on my phone right now. Yeah. I know how to screen record. I totally did not just take a picture. Totally did not just do it. But did somebody want to match me or something? I don't know. Yeah, I just want to like take a photo of her and I let her look bad. I think I look fancy maybe. Oh, that's rude. That isn't bunny cake. Okay, guys, I'm starting to get bored and stuff. Help. Whoever helps me will have to subscribe. No one help me. Ooh, I have an idea. I'm saying ABC if you're subscribed to Beal and Dash. Oh, nobody here subbed. Like seriously, nobody. That's actually pretty sad. Because once I met a fan, but yeah. Somebody said, I'm cool. I really want to say like, I told them I'm recording right now. I'm gonna add her because she seems like really. Zilla Vanilla. Zilla Vanilla. Zilla Vanilla. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video to probably part 2 soon. Bye.